So I have a WordPress website using Elementor Builder, and I am working on the template for the posts, for the blog posts. And I wanted a table of contents over on the right-hand side, but I was having a little bit of an issue because I have a comment field down here where people can leave their comments, but you can see here it says leave a reply, cancel reply, and it's drawing it from down here. I know it just says leave a reply, but so I'm not sure why it's saying cancel reply too, but it is. I tried a bunch of things, nothing seemed to be working to get rid of this, because I only want the headers from the post to start showing up into there. So go into your module, the table of contents module, click down here on exclude, and you're going to put in .comment-reply-title. What that's going to do is it's going to eliminate that, because it's pulling it. I got the CSS class for here, and that's all this is. We just put it right in there. It removes it. We can go ahead and hit publish, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh my page. Refresh my page, and it's no longer there. So that is how you move the reply tab out of the table of contents in your Elementor Builder website on a post.